Medicare Part B has a monthly premium of $164.90 in 2023, but if you are a higher income earner, you're going to have what's called an IRMAA adjustment. I'm going to explain to you exactly how that works, but first, I know a lot of people, they hear this and they're confused. I thought I pay a tax every paycheck to cover Medicare. That covers Medicare Part A premium free. Medicare Part B, you have to pay a monthly premium. So let's take a look to see if you're somebody that may be paying more than the $164.90. So first, IRMAA stands for an income-related monthly adjustment amount. So in other words, if you have income over a certain threshold, you're going to pay more than the $164.90. That amount, that IRMAA adjustment, will be applied to both your Part B premium and your Part D premium. And if you happen to be in a Medicare Advantage plan and you don't have a separate Part D plan, you're still going to have that IRMAA adjustment applied to your bill. So looking at this chart behind me, which I'm actually holding in my lap, you can see it's broken down into columns. The first column is if you file taxes single, the next one married filing jointly, then there's married filing separately, and then the fourth column tells you what the amount you would pay for Part B would be if it's increased, and the fifth column tells you about Medicare Part D. So let's look at two examples. The first one, if you look to that first column and you look to the second set of language, it says $97,000 to $123,000. So if your modified adjusted gross income falls between that threshold and you're filing single, you're going to pay $230.80, fourth column, instead of the standard premium. And you can see that in the fifth column, you'd pay an additional $12.20 on top of your Part D premium. Let's look at another example. Look to column number 2. You could see that's the one where someone's married, filing jointly. And if you look at it, I highlighted if you're making your modified adjusted gross income between $306,000 and $366,000, then you look over to the right and you can see that you would pay $428.60 a month, and for your Part D, it would be an additional $50.70. So you can find these charts all over the internet. This one was done by Humana. You can find them by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or I'm happy to email to you if you want to reach out to get a copy. Also know that there are certain circumstances where you can appeal IRMAA, but that's a topic for another video.